The Middle East remains a region simmering with tension. Two powerful forces, Iran and Israel, often find themselves at odds. Understanding their military capabilities is crucial for grasping the complex dynamics of the region. This comparison delves into the strengths and strategies of these two nations, shedding light on their potential for conflict and cooperation. From the size of their armies to the sophistication of their weapons, we'll explore the factors that make these two nations military powers in their own right. The shadow of history looms large over the relationship between Iran and Israel. Past conflicts and current political tensions make a comparative analysis of their military strengths even more critical. This exploration aims to provide a clear and concise overview of their military capabilities, avoiding technical jargon for broader accessibility. By examining their respective strengths and weaknesses, we can better understand the potential consequences of any future conflict. Iran boasts a large and diverse military force. With over 500,000 active personnel, its army is one of the largest in the Middle East. The Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, a separate branch, wields significant power and influence within Iran. The IRGC controls a vast network of paramilitary forces, adding to Iran's overall military strength. In contrast, Israel maintains a smaller but highly trained and technologically advanced military. Despite its size advantage, Iran's military faces limitations in equipment and technology. Years of sanctions have hampered its ability to acquire advanced weaponry. Israel, on the other hand, benefits from a robust domestic arms industry and strong ties with Western powers. This access to cutting-edge technology gives Israel a qualitative edge in any potential conflict. The Israel Defense Forces are known for their adaptability and technological prowess. Iran has invested heavily in its ballistic missile program. These missiles, capable of reaching Israel and other regional targets, are a cornerstone of Iran's deterrent strategy. In recent years, Iran has also made significant strides in drone technology. Its drones, often armed with precision-guided munitions, pose a growing threat to its adversaries. Moreover, Iran has developed sophisticated cyber warfare capabilities, which it has used to target both regional and international opponents. Israel counters Iran's missile threat with a multi-layered missile defense system. The Iron Dome, Arrow, and David's Sling systems are designed to intercept rockets, missiles, and other aerial threats. Israel is also a global leader in drone technology, deploying them extensively for surveillance and strike missions. Furthermore, Israel possesses advanced cyber capabilities, which it uses for both defensive and offensive purposes. Section 4. Battle-hardened training and experience on the battlefield. Iranian forces have gained valuable experience in recent years through their involvement in conflicts in Syria, Iraq, and Yemen. The IRGC in particular has honed its skills in asymmetric warfare, utilizing guerrilla tactics and proxy militias. This experience has enhanced Iran's ability to operate in complex and unconventional battlefields. However, the effectiveness of Iranian forces in a direct confrontation with a modern military like Israel's remains uncertain. The Israel Defense Forces, or IDF, are known for their rigorous training and high level of professionalism. Conscription ensures a steady flow of new recruits who undergo intensive training in various combat specialties. The IDF also conducts regular military exercises, often simulating scenarios involving conflict with Hezbollah or Hamas. This constant state of preparedness ensures that the IDF remains a highly capable and battle-ready force. Section 5. Friends in high places, strategic alliances and global support. Iran has cultivated alliances with various groups and countries in the region. Its support for Hezbollah in Lebanon and Hamas in Gaza provides it with strategic depth and the ability to project power beyond its borders. Russia remains a key ally, providing Iran with military equipment and diplomatic support. However, Iran's support for these groups also makes it a target of international criticism and sanctions. Israel enjoys a close relationship with the United States, its most important ally. The U.S. provides Israel with billions of dollars in military aid annually and guarantees its qualitative military edge in the region. Israel also has strong ties with other Western powers, including France and Germany. These alliances provide Israel with access to advanced weaponry, intelligence sharing, and diplomatic support. Section 6. Drawing the balance, key differences and similarities. Iran and Israel represent two distinct military powers in the Middle East. Iran relies on its large army, missile program, and alliances with regional actors. Israel counters with technological superiority, highly trained forces, and strong international partnerships. While Iran might have a numerical advantage, Israel maintains a qualitative edge in terms of equipment, training, and technological innovation. The potential for conflict between these two nations remains a significant concern, and understanding their respective military capabilities is crucial for assessing the risks and implications of any future confrontation.